Hello and welcome to my first ever devlog. So I saw this 20-second game jam and it looked sufficiently casual that it could be a good first game jam for me to join. Low pressure, I like that. So I've been in this Udemy course for Unreal Engine 5 for about 2 to 3 weeks, just coming off of this project on screen here called Toon Tanks, and I feel like I've got enough skills to try my hand at a game. So I'm gonna go and put on my axis mappings. I've already created a new project, an empty project, and I'm gonna try to get these axis mappings set up. It was a struggle here at first because I just tried my best to go as fast as possible in this Udemy course. No note taking, nothing. And, you know, just like back in college, everything I learned goes right out as soon as I leave the classroom. And in this case, it's a web page, or video. So I'm just here struggling to figure out how to set up input or axis mappings and which keys to set up. And I'm going to discover that my positives and negatives are mixed all the way up. And I've already got a blueprint set up. I'm not sure how I did that, but we might be seeing some of this out of order. But now you're seeing me trying to implement the pawn C++ file. I'm going to take some code from my previous project, these bind mappings functions for the controls. So I'm going to bind those axis mappings I just made to certain functions that I'm going to call pitch and yaw. The object of my game here is to put the player into the role of a housefly, so literally going to be a fly on the wall. And thematically, it seems like a fly would die in 20 seconds, so that's why I picked this. I put my axis mappings in the constructor, as you maybe saw, and I discover that that's not where they go. And now I'm trying out this feature of auto-generating my function implementation, and it's not worth it. Just implement it yourself. This takes forever. Damn. Visual Studio. What's up, Microsoft? Holy shit. That took a long time. So I've learned my lesson. Not quite. I think I try this function one more time. Not in this video. So I'm going to steal this code here for implementing the local offset. And I'm going to take the rotation version and copy it into these two functions and just change the pitch and yaw. I probably compile, and of course, after naming them appropriately. One thing I didn't show is I'm moving forward constantly in the tick function, and I'm definitely not expecting this to work. Let's auto-possess the blueprint. Excuse me. Auto-possess the blueprint and see if it starts flying around. I totally wasn't expecting it to work there, to be honest. So that was pretty cool. So next we're going to see that I try to implement a game mode so that I can track the lifetime of this fly and have it die. But it so turns out if you don't save everything before creating a new C++ file and Visual Studio / Unreal asking you to reload everything. You basically have to close Visual Studio or Unreal Engine and reload everything. You can lose a lot of work that way. So my next video is going to be implementing source control. And if you ever run into this problem where you create a new file and you suddenly get those weird errors that there is no solution to, well, the solution, it turns out, is cleaning your solution and making a new makefile. You know, my choice of words was intentional, so yeah, that's how you get around that. So I build it all over again and discover that I have to build my blueprint one more time. Alright, well, thanks for joining me in this video. I'll see you next time.